Hello friends, how are you? Today I am going to tell you how you can earn 2 lakhs per month with one software. Maybe you know hear it before, but I guarantee you if you learn this software, then I am 100% sure you can make a good money for yourself and your family. Without any time waste, I am going to tell you the software name and introduction of this software. So guys, are you ready? Let's start. So software name is Autodesk AutoCAD. Do you want to know what is AutoCAD? Introduction. Okay, I introduce you first. What is AutoCAD? AutoCAD is a combination of two words. Auto means decimals and CAD means imperial. AutoCAD was formally launched in December 1982 by Autodesk engineer, a leader in 3D designer, engineering and entertainment software. Simply what AutoCAD enables drawings, designers and architects to produce 2D and 3D models, drawings, computers. Let's saw the interface of AutoCAD. You can saw on your screen. Okay, I show you. Just look at my cursor. Okay, that bar is called application home, and that is called quick access bar. This bar is called task bar. This section is called ribbon. This section is called panel. It's called intro bar. This line is bar, space bar, and this is desktop settings, and this is craft setting. This is status bar, and you can see this is the command line. This is workpiece. If you learn this software, there are many jobs available for all over the world for the AutoCAD designers with handsome salary. After learn this software, you are able to make mechanical drawings, civil drawings, 2D and 3D, electrical drawings, architect drawings, maps, furniture drawings, 2D and 3D. Friends, this is 2021. No one give you money without any skill. If you really want to make a good money, you have to learn a good skills for make a good money. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, or if you're new here, subscribe Hamad Tech for more informative videos. Thank you.